Okay, I want to start. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you today, my student?
I'm good.
Okay,
Thank you.
I want to give you some greeting. When I say, how are you today? You say, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine, thank you, and you. Get it? Okay. I want to repeat. How are you today, my student?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
Okay, good. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. Okay, today we will study about report text. But before I want to explain another material, I want to give you ice breaking first. Yeah. Okay, the ice breaking is supaya kita semangat, please stand up, please. Okay, the ice breaking is the rules of ice breaking. When I say the animal that live in the air udara, you touch the head. Get it?
Okay.
And then when I say the animal that live in the land, daratan, you touch your shoulder. Get it? Yes. And then when I say the animal that live in the water, you touch knees atau lutut. Get it? Okay. Yes. We will try it. The first animal is fish. Wow. Okay, gonna focus today. And then let's try. I will try. Elephant. I will focus again. And then next animal is bird.
Oh my god.
Yes, and then cat. Yes, and then fish again. Okay, good. Okay, so please sit down. And then next, for the next games, I will to guess the animal before this material is correlation about the animal because I want to explain about the report. So let's guess the animal. The animal of clue. Okay. Anyone's read the clue, please. Okay, Asti, please read the clue.
The clue. It lives in rainforest in Borneo and Sumatra. It has very long and strong arms. It has reddish brown hair. It is very smart and can use tools.
Okay, anyone know what is the animal?
Orangutan.
Orangutan. Let's see. Okay. Yes, Asti, you are great. And then next, I have another clue. Let anyone's reading? Okay.
Clue. It lives in Kalimantan, Indonesia. The male has a very long and big nose. It likes swimming and living near rivers. It has a big belly.
Belly. So what is the animal about, guys? Anyone knows? Raise your hand.
It's a
It has a long nose, but it has a big.
bekantan.
Yes, bekantan. It is bekantan because it is the characteristic of bekantan, of course. And then the last one. I have a last clue. Please, anyone for it, please. Okay, please.
It is a cosco, like a helmet.
Hello.
It lives in tropical forests. It is often called a symbol of loyalty.
Symbol of loyalty. Anyone knows? No.
Garuda.
No. Kakak tua. It's similar with kakak tua, the material after that. Okay, previous we already play the game the guess animal because the game is have correlation about the material, it's about report text. And then the previous we already studied about descriptive text from Miss Najwa, right? And then we want to explain about the report text. Want to learn about definition and then of course purpose and then generic structure, example and conclusion of a report text. And then next, I want to ask you, my student, what is a report text? Anyone knows? Previous study we already guessed the animal, so it means it has a correlation form report text. So can you describe the simple word to describing report text maybe? Report text about?
Is about report of fact.
Yes, report of fact or report phenomena. And then another one, report about animals. Yeah, okay. And in here, have you ever read a text that explains animal, plants, or natural phenomena? And you say yes, that kind of text is called report text. So in here, what is it? The identification of report text, it gives general information about something. So in the previous, you already studied about descriptive. If in descriptive, specific, right? But in report text, it has general. That is the difference. The difference of descriptive and then difference of report text. It has similar, but the difference is descriptive is specific, but in report text is general. Get it, guys? Yes. And then the information is based on fact, not opinion. In descriptive, we already studied opinion. Like what is it? Lily is very good, and then Lily have white fur, and then blah blah blah. It's opinion dari si pemilik lilinya. But in here, in the report text, the text is about general and fact, not opinion in here. Yes? Yes. Okay. Next. Okay, so why do we use report text? In here, I can say the purpose, and then we have several purpose in here. There are to share factual information, and then to explain something in general, and then to help reader understand object, animal, or phenomena. Of course, in purpose, we have share factual information. Anyone to read the generic structure, please? Siapa yang bisa baca? Arisma, okay, Arisma, please.
Dari nomor satu ini.
Yes.
First, general classification. This part introduce the topic. And second, description. This part explains the details such as physical characteristics, habitat, and behavior.
Okay, so you must know that the classification, and the second one is this description. In the general classification, this part introduces the topic. So what we want to discuss, like bekantan. Bekantan is animal blah blah blah. That's general classification, or we can call introduction in what is it? In narrative, maybe in the previous study, right? Okay, and then the next is description. Can you read for me the first language feature?
Scientific or technical term.
And then the second, Gita, can you read for me?
Often uses linking verbs like is, are, and have.
Okay, the third one, Afi.
Present tense.
And then the last one, Nai, please read for me.
Uses general nouns, tiger, whale, plant.
Okay, you can see at the slide, you must have several language feature, of course. They have a purpose and then language feature, and then of course they have social function and other extra, yeah. And then in here, report text have something sometimes use scientific or technical term. What's the meaning of scientific? Anyone know? Scientific. Yes, ilmiah. You've read Afi, yeah. So in here, itu banyak menggunakan simple present. And then the last one, general nouns. Of course, in here is very general, and then we use general nouns like tiger, wild, plant. Another one, bekantan, and then orangutan. It's like that. Get it, guys? Okay. And then we already know the characteristic of bekantan, right? Yes. I want to explain more about bekantan. Yes. I want to. Regita, please read just one sentence.
The proboscis monkey, also known as the bekantan, is a unique primate that lives in Southeast Asia. Its scientific name is Nasalis larvatus. This animal is famous for its long and large nose. Proboscis monkeys are usually found in mangrove forests, riversides, and
In Borneo. Yes.
Rainforest forest in Borneo.
Okay, good. And then the second paragraph, I want to Wawa, please, can you read for me? This one.
Dari yang mana, Miss?
Proboscis monkey have in until kilograms.
Have distinctive physical characteristic. The male monkeys have very long noses, while the females have smaller noses. They have reddish brown fur, long tails, and large bellies. An adult male proboscis monkey can weigh up to 20 kilograms.
Okay, good.
These monkeys are good swimmers. They can swim across rivers and often jump from trees into the water. Their diet mainly consists of leaves, fruits, and seeds. Proboscis monkeys live in groups led by a dominant male. They usually stay in trees near rivers.
Okay, thank you, Naila. And then
Unfortunately, their population is decreasing because of habitat destruction and hunting. Therefore, proboscis monkeys are considered endangered animals and need protection.
Okay, good. And then I want to ask you. Four. Okay, good. And then I want to. Wait a minute. Is it four? Yes. Is it four? And then I want to mention what is the part of what is it? Description, classification. Identification part of classification. Okay, Asti, please. Which one?
It's descriptive.
Is it? Description?
Yes.
Okay, but I want to tell you again. In here, we have just two generic part. Yeah, generic structure. Sorry. The first one. Sorry, I want to review. The first paragraph in here is general classification. So biasanya in report text yang termasuk general classification itu hanya di paragraph pertama. And then another paragraph until the end. The proboscis monkey, and then until unfortunately, is it? Description, of course, good. Okay, language feature is often uses linking verb. Can you show me what is the linking verb in here? Is, of course. Yes, is good. And then okay, are, and then of course in here have use simple present. Give me one example, simple present in this text. Simple present, just one simple present in this text. Which one?
Its scientific name is Nasalis larvatus.
Yes, its scientific name is Nasalis larvatus. Good, Aina. Okay. Wait a minute. Now, of course, we already and uses general nouns in the bekantan. Which one is general nouns? Proboscis monkey. Yes, and then yes, bekantan. a general term. Okay, can you guess what next is it? And then we already know, yes, it is example of refer text about Quran. Okay, good. Okay, next. Let's game. Yay! Purpose of refer text, anyone knows? Risma? C. Okay. Yay! Okay, next question. Oh yeah, okay, the next question is which tense is mostly used in refer text? Anyone knows? Okay, Monday. Simple present tense it's B. Okay, yay. Okay, the next question. Which of the following is an example of refer text title? Anyone knows? Go. Okay, everyone. Cats. 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 Arrow. Okay. For go. Asking. B. Appears. Okay. Okay. Then next. Iya, bentar ini gue banget ya. Which the belong to refer text? Information about volcano. Okay. And then next, the next question is read the text.
Very small.
Library. Okay, next. Yes, two again. What is the answer? And then the last one. Yuk, which one? C. Yes, C. Thank you very much. Yes. Let's conclude or summarize the material for today, my student. So, what is the refer text? The refer text is yes, about factual information, scientifically good, and then how many the structure? Two. There are okay, good. And then how many language feature? Four. There are use scientific, yes, good. Simple present tense, and then use linking verb, and then use technical term or technical noun. Okay, good. You are good. Okay. Okay. And then yes, I did forget. And actually, I got this picture at the Nusantara English. Yes. Before we close the class, I want to close breaking. Yeah. No problem, we can try, Aina. So, coba dari sini, hadapnya ke sini, yang dari sini hadap ke sini, yang ke sini hadap ke sini. Jadi ada depan gitu. Hadap-hadapan. Yes. No. Just sit. Duduk aja. Yes, kali ini duduk aja. Just sit. Okay. Supaya semangat dan tidak ngantuk sebelum kita pulang ke rumah. Oke ya. Oke. The rules. Okay, attention please, my student. The rules of class breaking is